Welcome to Tonrevel Community School. My name is Miss Aziz and I'm going to talk to you about the A-Level Biology course. So there are three of us that teach A-Level Biology. There's myself, there's Mrs Jones and Miss Kitchener-Handley. The A-Level Biology course will run over 2 years and we will do Units 1 and 2 in the AS Year 12 part of the course and Units 3, 4 and 5 in the A2 Year 13 part of the course. So why study A-Level biology? Now, biology is classed as a STEM subject, showing employers and universities that you have strong scientific and academic capabilities. Being such a highly respected qualification, A-Level biology will give you access to many degrees, courses and careers. It makes an excellent base for degrees in healthcare and biological sciences and can complement those in sports science, psychology and sociology. A-Level biology qualification can open a variety of career opportunities to employers who typically recruit graduates for biology related jobs, typically include research scientists, pharmacologists, ecologists, forensic scientists, just to name a few. So these are the types of careers you can expect to be pursuing with an A-Level biology qualification. The facilities then at Tonrevel Community School are really good. We have 10 fully functioning science labs. We've got a dedicated science technician who's on hand to support our practical activities. We do lots of practical activities at Tonrevel Community School, especially at AS and A2, which complement and reinforce the course. These are just some pictures of our sixth form students taking part in some of our practical activities. So what does the course involve? So here's just an overview of what the course involves. You can see units 1 and 2 are completed at AS level, which is year 12. Units 3, 4 and 5 are completed in year 13 and they will be our A2 level. So unit 1 is all about fundamental concepts in biology. This provides a really good base to build upon as we move through the course, and it's also the link between GCSE and A-Level. So these 6 concepts will build upon what was studied at GCSE. Unit 2 then is all about biodiversity and the physiology of body systems. So we talk about evolutionary relationships, classification, and then we go more in depth about gas exchange, transport and nutrition. And again, this all builds on the knowledge gained at GCSE. So they are the 2 units that we study in year 12. Year 13 then, the first unit that we study is unit 3. This is a very varied unit, so there's lots of different aspects of biology incorporated in this unit, and you can see there are 8 topics in this unit, but it's a nice varied unit, so we get lots of different styles and aspects of biology being studied there. And unit 4, as you can see, this is mainly about variation and inheritance, a really popular topic, really interesting, sparks a lot of interest in a lot of pupils. And what you can see, there are 6 topics there, the 5 of them are listed, and then topic 6 is an option. So pupils get the option to choose one of the following topics. And you can see them here: immunology and disease, the human musculoskeletal anatomy, and neurobiology and behaviour. So we will choose one of these topics as a class, and the whole class will learn that topic. So we will decide which topic as a class we want to learn, and we will go with that one. That's quite nice actually, because it just gives some flexibility in what the class would like to learn about. And then unit 5 is the practical examination. It's with 10% of the qualification, and this is something that's only done in year 13. So the pupils will do practical activities throughout the biology course. They will actually be examined practically in the lab for 10% of the final qualification. This normally takes place in the spring term in year 13. So this is just a summary of the assessments. What you can see is that the AS is with 40% of the total grade. Now, Unit 1 and 2 are assessed via an exam at the end of Year 12. So during the summer session of exams in Year 12, they will be assessed there as a formal exam in the exam hall. Unit 3 and 4, they will be assessed in the same way. They are both exam-based assessments. They will be tested in the summer of Year 13. And then, as I've just mentioned, the practical examination is assessed in our lab in school. So if you need any more information on that, just give us a shout and we will be happy to answer any of your questions. Now, moving on then to some frequently asked questions. So the first one that we get asked a lot, is there an entry requirement to study A-level biology? So what we mean by that is, do you need to have a certain grade in order to study A-level biology? Well, the simple answer to that is no, that we haven't formalised a grade that you need to study A-level biology, but you do need to be aware that it is a very demanding subject, so you need to be prepared to work hard and be sure this is the right pathway for you to follow. Should you apply, you'll be invited for a one-to-one interview to discuss suitability with a member of staff. Because biology is a science, you will already have a GCSE understanding and you should be able to present, analyse and interpret data in the form of graphs, tables, calculations and statistics. The second question we get asked is, what support is available to help students manage their workload? So the three of us that teach A-level biology, we are very supportive. We will tailor the support to the student. We offer things like after-school support sessions. We will share all our teaching resources. We will share reading material to read around the subject, and we would expect pupils to be helping themselves with that as well. Studying A-level biology, is it hard? So A-level biology is a challenging subject and demanding in terms of dedication to workload. However, if you have an interest in animals, plants and humans, the environment, conservation, biotechnology and complex living systems, these are just some of the reasons why A-level biology should be your subject pick. A-level biology is one of those subjects that blends theoretical and practical understanding with analytical skills. Through this, you develop a deep understanding of the intricacies of the living world and its interaction with other systems, including its impact on us and us on it. The fact is that studying A-level biology will open doors and opportunities for you to study a huge variety of subjects at degree level. And the last question we get asked a lot is, what are the keys to A-level biology success? Well, put simply, consistency is key. You need to make sure that you are consistently turning up to lessons. You are consistently completing all the work set to a very good standard. The reason that we will set this work is to provide a deeper and more thorough understanding for you. You need to be aware that it's not just what you do in the classroom, it's what you do out of the classroom as well. So you need to make sure that you are doing that. Another key is practice, practice, practice past paper questions. What this will help you do is see the topics that come up regularly. It will help you answer questions correctly and in the right way, and it will help you manage your time when answering questions. So past paper questions is a massive key to success for A-level biology. And lastly, we really, really want you to enjoy the subject. So we want you to have a passion for the subject and really want to do it, because when you enjoy doing something, it's not tedious and it's not a massive effort to get yourself to do it. So you need to remain motivated to be completing this work and to be taking on this workload. So they are my keys to success in biology. Now, if you do have any further questions, my email address is here, along with Mrs. Jones's as well as Miss Kitchener-Hanley's email address. So just contact us if you do have any further questions. If you've got any questions about sixth form in general, there is the email address for the sixth form team. Dedication for applications is the 12th of March this year, but don't leave it that late. And you can find application forms on the school website, which is there. Like I said, if you've got any questions, please just get in contact with us. We will contact you and we will respond as soon as possible. But I hope this has been informative for you, and we look forward to seeing you in September. Thanks very much. Bye.